Cash the only thing on my mind. I gave up what I thought would be my wife, 'cause I done lost a whole lot of time, and I gotta be rich by 25. I put tints on my eyes. There's a lot of shade, bitch, I can see through them lies. We not cool, little bitch, you know it's for the other side. Done with playing nice, but this flow another kind. Tatted on my face, my mama cried. You know that little number changed my life, so why are you surprised? I do what I want inside this life. I'll do what I want until I die. I need revenge on them bitches that betrayed me. Stack a meal for every time that they blame me. Fucking slit for every time that they shame me. Cop a chain for every time they try to tame me. Lost 300K and I'm finna stack it again. This little whole little shit, I'm finna rap it again. Pull me on my little shot, I'm finna sip it again. Sip it again, sip it again, sip it again. Cash the only thing on my mind. I gave up what I thought would be my wife, 'cause I done lost a whole lot of time, and I gotta be rich by 25. I gotta be rich by 25. Gotta be rich by 25. I said that I'd be rich by 25, so I gotta be rich by 25 years in. My brother quit on me, and that's okay with me, but then he switched up for his bitch and blamed that shit on me. I was at the trap with them rats and I couldn't sleep. They turned me around.